Walking to Universal right now.
I'm so excited. There you go. Yeah! We made it! Woo!
Oh yeah, baby. Universal Studios. Universal Studios.
Broomsticks right there.
Some beer. Yes. Beer. Yeah, let's get that beer. Hey everyone, so here at the Three Broomsticks, here's a glimpse at the menu. The bottom left is what we ordered. And yeah, all of that was pretty good. But short story time. It took about 40 minutes for us to get our food, just because the kitchen staff was not prepared for lunch is what they told us, and a lot of the food was behind in terms of the quantity they had to make. So we waited 40 minutes for our food. So when we got it, we were quite hungry and we scarfed it down. So sorry that there was no before image of the food, but here's the aftermath of us eating. And I will say though, it is all delicious, all good. The shepherd's pie is probably gonna be my go-to item if I come back to the Three Broomsticks. On to the video.
We're going on the studio tour?
Studio tour!
You ready for your first celebrity sighting of the day? Left-hand side, Ted the Bear. Uh-oh, yeah, Joe's right, they're out. All these cages are empty. This is not good. Over on your left-hand side, next to the Mobile Command Center. Do you remember that from the film? It's also made on plywood, by the way. But with this mist and everything, we gotta be real careful as we go by, because you never know where those dinosaurs could be. And they're sneaky. Watch out, everyone. Card 3 and 4. If you wonder what we're screaming about, you're gonna find out. Got your attention on that. See, I told you. I tried to warn you. Our tour is now approximately the halfway mark. I just want to remind everybody to stay seated during the entire tour. What are you pointing at? What? Oh, no. There's another shark. Okay, so listen, we're safe on the pier, but stay seated. I gotta call it in. Oh my gosh. George, get out of the water, man. There's a... Oh, no. George! He was one of my closest chums. My ride home. Oh, no. Anybody see that shark? Anybody? Oh, he saw us. Hey, Norman, happy holidays. We're gonna get out. No, Norman. Norman. Oh my gosh. Norman, mother's watching you. Behave. We all have cameras. And now, welcome to Steven Spielberg's set, War of the Worlds. You see how massive this is, and all the detail that went into creating the set. And as we drive through, remember this, it was only used for about a 4-minute part of the actual film. All this...
Finished the studio tour.
It looks so cool.
Now we're going to the lower lot, which has Jurassic World stuff, the Mummy, and food.
And drinks.
and drinks. So we're gonna try to find ourselves an alcoholic beverage. Here's a preview of Nintendo World, Super Nintendo World. We got ourselves, well, of course, some water, but a Bahama Mama at the Isla Nubar. It was 15 bucks.
Let's see if it's worth 15 bucks.
Take a sip. Take a sip. Is it yummy?
Mmm.
Is it missing the ice cream?
It's missing the ice cream, but that's still really good. Ooh. Coconut rum, white rum, guava something, and orange juice?
I think so.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Pretty
this
good.
straw sucks. It's a paper straw and it sucks.
We're wrapping it up, right?
Yeah, so we're wrapping up, waiting for my brother. It was a fun day at Universal Studios Hollywood.
We hit pretty much all the rides. Had a lot of good food.
Now we're gonna go to the City Walk, eat some more food.
I'm excited.
Yes. Ooh, it's this. So after the full day at Universal Studios Hollywood, we went to the City Walk to grab a bite and some drinks. We stopped at this place called Chicken. We got 2 different chicken sandwiches, an Asian style and a Nashville hot spicy chicken sandwich. Both were very good, very big, and very crispy. Very big sandwiches, so you will get full off of those. The drinks we got, we went to this place called Mini Monster, and you know, it's boba. Nothing you can't find anywhere else. But those drinks were very refreshing, so that was pretty good. And yeah, we're leaving both Universal and City Walk.
Overall, great day.
Yeah, great day. Do your feet hurt?
Surprisingly, no.
My feet are only a little sore,
Yeah.
but that's all. Good day.
Very good day.
Oh, we're just straight ahead. Yeah.
Time to go.
Very, very good day. Time to go just show ass
Yes.
at the hotel. Pack up. Yeah. All right.